Okay guys, that was really weird. I was in the middle of recording my second unboxing and my camera just stopped. So I have opened my box. Again, this is Triple Trouble Trinkets package from Jennifer. Absolutely love her stuff. She is awesome. All of her products are awesome. See how well she packages everything. What I had said in my previous video was I swear she used to be a Tetris master. Everything is in here so nicely and neatly and professionally packaged and wrapped. Triple Trouble Trinkets. They spoil the mind, body, and soul. So you're going to have your wax scents and your soaps and bath products and stones and jewelry and little personal items. And when you get a package from Jennifer, she puts little items in there personally for you because she takes the time to know each and every one of us. So we all know what this is. This is our little candy treat bag, and sometimes there's a little extra personal gift in here. So, Soul Sister, another fun box filled with lots and lots of love. She and I both share love of sunflowers. It's my favorite flower. So these personalized handwritten notes are so awesome from her. And of course, Jennifer's cards. I always hang on to these so I can give them to people so that they know where to find Jennifer. Just in case, here is the information. That's her card. Yes, pleasing to the mind, to the body, mind, and soul. And the tribe is all about paying it forward with love. It's always about doing things for other people. So those are her cards, a couple of her cards. Triple Trouble Trinkets is absolutely awesome. I've not just made friends on there, but also found my soul sister, Jennifer. And in fact, anyone who knows anything about me knows my love for crochet. So this was actually in my little goodie bag. She sent me a crochet hook. I love this. Only somebody who knows me would know to send me a crochet hook. I have so many, but I always need more. I've got multiple project bags with different hooks in them and stuff, so this is awesome. And of course, candy. She always sends candy. We love that. Keep sending candy, that's awesome. And my crochet hook, I'm going to put that in my goodie bag, back with my cards. And now we have a box full of goodies to open. I wonder what's going to be in this box. Again, in case anybody's heard, I order things randomly and, you know, win things, prizes and stuff. And Jennifer knows she'll just get one of the large boxes and she'll just start filling it for me. And once it gets full, she'll let me know and I'll pay for the shipping and she ships it to me. By the time I get it, it might be a week, it might be a month, I don't know, but I've forgotten what I've gotten from her. So it's like Christmas every time. So first of all, okay, this is just adorable. Do we see this cute little, Kevin, look, this cute little pumpkin bag? This is too cute. October starts this weekend. So with it being fall and October starting, this is perfect. Oh, so cinnamon scented little brooms. This is raspberry hot cocoa mix and it's a 1905 vintage spoon. Do you see the special lengths that she goes to please, sorry, I have a mosquito bite, that she goes to do special things for people? She gets to know them so well. Sipa, a great pen. Especially with me, I'm always, taking down notes, doing my patterns, that type of stuff. Manicure file. I have to watch these padded manicure files because my husband loves them. So he actually, as you guys can see, I don't take great care of my nails, but my husband's nails are awesome. He's also a guitar player, so they kind of have to be, because snagging a nail on a guitar string, ouch. But yes, so these are a huge deal in my house. There's a wrapped package. Ooh, I love wrapped packages. Now you see, it's like a birthday, it's like Christmas. I never know. So, oh, this is peachy. See the little, it's a little witch's hat. So it's, oh, okay, so this does not smell like peach candy or fake peach. Honestly, what it smells like to me, if any of you guys have ever had like peach tea, that's exactly what this smells like. So I'm excited about that. This is goat's milk soap. Ooh, I get to smell like peach tea. One nice thing about Jennifer soaps is the fact that they're not overpowering in scent, and they leave a soft scent on you, so it's not this strong perfumey scent that carries with you all day. It's just this light scent that makes you feel fresh and smell fresh all day. So that's awesome. And then little notebooks. Jennifer is huge on notebooks. I think this is upside down. There we go. For whatever reason we use the notebooks for, whether it's a gratitude journal, just journaling, my crochet patterns, but this is absolutely awesome. I love my little pumpkin bag and all of my goodies inside, and I am so excited. So that's just one. I have barely scratched the surface of this box. So this may be a little bit longer than the last video, so bear with me, okay? Let's see what's next. I have, bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is always good. Jennifer does a great job protecting what she ships. I have never received anything from Jennifer that was broken or out of place or damaged in any way. She takes such great care in packaging what she sends, and I know I'm probably making really weird faces because I'm trying to figure out what this is because I don't remember. So this is, I'm still unwrapping. Okay. I love this. This will be going in my craft room. It says, believe in your intuition. We all have that little gut voice, our intuition. Believe in it. It's there for a reason. I love this. That will be hanging in my room. My she shed, my craft room, it's our spare bedroom that my husband has graciously allowed to be my craft room because he has the basement as his studio. So kind of give and take, you know, that's what you do when you're a couple. Now I'm trying to figure out what is the next thing because everything is so snugly packaged in here. Okay, this could be interesting. Let's see what this is. Gently unwrapped. Hey, it's tissue paper, so you never know. But I always get so excited. Okay. So my tissue paper. So this is, oh, I had a little ant crawling on the table. She knows I love these pearls. And the pearl holder necklaces. This looks like it's, oh, this is so pretty. So, can you all see this? So, I'm trying to find it. So do you see? Isn't it beautiful? So when I open this up, I'm going to take it out carefully so you guys can see. That is, and I'm trying to focus on that. That is the pearl that's in this cage necklace. That is absolutely beautiful. I love this. So this goes carefully back in here, just in case, because if not, again, man hands, tiny things, they don't mix, so you never know. I'm probably going to break it or lose it. So this cute little seashell that's taped shut, which means there's something in the cute little seashell. This is such a cute little plastic seashell. So let's see what's in. Do you all see the seashell? Oh! So, this is a little clam that will have a pearl in it. I don't know if you guys have ever received these or not, but I'm going to go ahead, just so you guys can see what's in here. This is so much fun. So you tear the bag open, and this is a little clam. Now what they do, these clams are specifically farmed for their pearls. They actually, the pearls, they put the little seed in there and then they grow around it. But there are colored pearls, and you never know the size or color or quantity of the pearls inside these lovely little clams. So let's open it up. You could pry it open, but honestly, I've learned if you just kind of break it, it's kind of gooey in there. It's kind of gross, you see? It's kind of, it's usually not really wet and slimy though, but you can tell there's muscle tissue and stuff in there. But they're dead, so that's okay. Yes, I know. I make funny faces and stick my tongue out when I'm trying to do things. So bear with me. The way that I'm having a time to get into this clam, this may take longer than what I was expecting, this video. So let's see. Aha. I cracked it. Okay, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is similar to the color of the one I got last time, but this is freaking huge. I don't know if you guys can see this. You see the size of the pearl in there? This is, I mean, that's a good size pearl. We're talking like bigger than a Tic Tac size. That's a pretty good size pearl. So this can also, I can put that in my cage, in my pearl cage. I have a few of these pearl cage necklaces. That is so cool, Jennifer. I love this. You know, a way to a girl's heart. I'm going to put that back in my little clamshell so I don't lose it. And then also in the bag is Blueberry Pumpkin Patch. This is goat's milk soap. And I love the little jack-o'-lantern face. So, oh my goodness. Okay. If you can imagine a blueberry muffin with a little scent. It's not super strong pumpkin-y, but it's got just a little hint of like pumpkin bread to it. So, do you see this? I mean, these are nice sized. And this one is goat's milk soap. Jennifer soap. It's not drying. It's not oily. It is my favorite soap. It's all I use. I love it. She knows I love it. So, yay! I got soap. Really pretty pearl cage with a pearl in it and a clam with a little purple pearl. I'm just making sure. Okay, yeah, there weren't any more pearls in that clam. So, I still have 4 more packages in here to open in this package. So, I love her little emoji bags. These are just too cute, too fun. Tied with a ribbon and a bow. I mean, so perfectly packaged. So in this is, okay, tell me this isn't adorable. No, this will probably end up going to one of my grandkids, probably to Aaron, because first of all, how cute is the little pink piggy loofah, the little hand puppet? Isn't that just the cutest thing? And in with that is little koi, and this is, let me look, a piggy in a bubble bath. Tell me, oh, this smells, it's a floral scent. Jennifer, can you help me out with this scent? I am not sure what this scent is, but can you guys see the little piggy floating in his little bubble bath? Isn't that the cutest thing? And if you have like one of the bathtub soap dishes, it looks like a little bathtub. This is so cute sitting in there. The koi fish as well, like in a little blue, where it looks like water in a little blue soap dish. These are great for guest bathrooms. Also spare bedrooms. If you don't want to put a wax melter in, but you just want something in there, they still have enough of a scent that they give a nice light aroma to the room without overpowering. Just a little hint from there. This is another set. I don't know, again, if I won this or if I bought this, but I have a package here that is, let's see. This is Sea Vibes. It says, "You make me see." See? And this is, you see this? This is a pumpkin spice salt soak. sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. This is a 4-pack set. And I love fall scents, pumpkin spices. I love all of that. And while I'm pampering myself, soaking and with the mask on my face and all of that, there's also is that just for my toesies or is that for my whole body? Oh, that's a pedicure set. This, the mask and everything, this is for my feet. And it comes, she sent this adorable pedicure set with it. So I get to take care of my tootsies with these. Like I said, we pamper, or Triple Trouble Trinkets pampers the mind, body, and soul. This is just one, and honestly, doing that little foot soak and giving yourself a pedicure, that kind of takes care of all of them, doesn't it? We all need that once in a while, that me time. These other two are largest packages, and they're wrapped in bubble wrap. Now I have to find the seam of the bubble wrap so I can open it. Hold on, I need to take a drink. Little choked up there. So, okay. Again, I know, very dangerous. I think my husband's over here gritting his teeth as I'm cutting the tape. I promise we won't have to go and get stitches. We're good. Unwrap, unwrap, unwrap. I'm getting to it. I see color through there. That's a kind of a reddish or a pinkish color. I think it's red. I think I've got one more wrap around here. Okay. Okay, this is so pretty. Do you see this ladybug? Isn't that so pretty, this dish? This is how big it is. Again, huge hands here. This shows you the size of it. I mean, this is huge. And this is pink sugar soap. I love pink sugar. I love all scents. I really do. But do you see the really cool colors in this? This almost looks like it may be part charcoal soap. Jennifer, can you comment below to let me know? But this is just so pretty. I love the black and red together. And it looks so cute sitting in the ladybug. That is adorable. One more. This is my last pack. This is my last item in this package. So, not too bad. It's not like going on a full-blown hour like the last one was, the first one was. But, you know, 20 minutes or so, that's not too bad. So here we go again. Everything perfectly packaged. Again, I haven't gotten anything damaged from Jennifer. Everything is always awesome. Whether it's wax, soap, crystals, very delicate items like the teacups or the soap dishes. And this is exactly what I was talking about earlier. Do you see this? This is a soap dish. This is absolutely gorgeous. This looks vintage. Jennifer, I'm not sure if it is or not, but if you want to comment below and let me know. But imagine, tell me this isn't the cutest thing. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So the little piggy, this adorable little piggy soap. Tell me that's not adorable. The little piggy sitting in his soap bath. That is just too cute. This is so precious. I love vintage. Jennifer and I share that love as well. So everything, as always, Jennifer, is perfect, beautiful. You know me so well. Again, a lot of the stuff, I don't remember if it's prices, if it's purchases, if it's, I don't know. But again, thank you guys for watching this. I got a lot of positive feedback from the first video. So I've decided when I get my packages from Jennifer, I'm going to start doing unboxing videos, post them up on YouTube and share them to the page so you guys can see just how amazing Jennifer's stuff is. The tribe is a group of absolutely wonderful people. We support each other in so many positive ways. I've made friends on there. And again, Soul Sister, I love you to the moon and back. On my heart, you know how much you mean to me and how much the tribe means to me. Everyone in the tribe. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.